Today I'm going to do a role play where my students will have to contact different landlords to find an apartment. I will give them a sample dialogue to follow and charts with different questions to ask, such as how much the rent is, what facilities are on site, if pets are allowed, and so on. Each landlord will have a card with the information about the apartment they want to rent, and they will use this to respond to the questions they are asked. I'll encourage them to mingle and to call as many different landlords as possible, and each tenant will write down the information they have collected. At the end, I'll ask them to tell the class which apartment they have decided to rent and justify their answers by explaining why they chose the apartment they did. So for today's lesson, we are going to focus on renting apartment. Half of you are going to be A, and the other half is going to be B. A's, you have an apartment that you want to rent. And for B, you want to rent that apartment. So you are going to call A to get more information about the apartment. Okay? Okay. And basically, callers B will have the sheet. And what you want to do is you want to follow this dialogue right here. Okay? And make sure when A is giving you the information about the apartment that you fill it in for each section. Okay? And for A, you are going to get this sheet of paper that has all the information about your apartment, which you will give to B over the phone. Okay, so let's split up and we can get started. So you're going to be A, and you are going to be B. Okay? So you are going to be A, and you will be B. You will be A, and you will be B. Okay, and afterwards we'll switch.
Hello.
Hi, I'm calling about the apartment for rent. Is it still available?
Yes, it is available. Would you like to see it?
Yes, but would you mind if I ask you a few questions over the phone first?
No, not at all. What do you need to know?
Where is it located?
Oh, he's located in downtown.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. How much is the rent?
What's the rent?
The rent is $760.
$760. Okay.
Are pets okay?
Yes. If you have a small pet, it's okay.
Are there any facilities in the building?
Yes. There is a weight room.
What else is in the neighborhood?
Hot tub and wave.
Neighborhood? We are industrial neighborhood
Hot
and we are
tub.
there are
There probably
many
some population nearby.
So now I want the B's to switch and find another apartment to ask more information about it. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to.
Hello.
Hi, I'm calling about the apartment for rent. Is it still available?
Yes, it's still available. Would you like to see it?
Yes, but would you mind if I ask you a few questions over the phone first?
No, not at all. What do you need to know?
So which apartments did you decide on after calling? How about you, Jin? Which apartment did you choose?
Yeah, I think my decide is second apartment because only location. I like downtown. Yeah, so second apartment location is downtown. A little expensive. Little expensive, but I like downtown.
You want to be downtown.
Yeah, I want to be.
Very good. And you, Sungin? What apartment did you choose?
I'll choose first one
Okay.
because first it takes 30 minutes by car and 40 minutes by subway, so I can save my time. I don't waste my time on the street.
Yes.
First and second, I like hot tub.
You like the hot
Yes.
tub? Okay.
So that is my reason.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Teaching functional lessons such as this one can be a lot of fun, and students find them especially valuable because they know they can apply them to everyday life. When trying to come up with aims for functional lessons, just ask yourself, what are some of the things students need to do in an English-speaking society? What about ordering a pizza, making a doctor's appointment, giving directions to a taxi driver, telling a barber how they want their hair cut, making special requests when ordering at a restaurant. If you think about it, almost anything you do in your daily life as a native speaker could be turned into a functional teaching point.